Hello students, welcome to my channel, My Maths Teacher. I am Teacher Krupa with one more video on the lesson Linear Regression. As you all know, in the previous video we have already started with the properties of regression coefficients and we have finished question number 1 and 2 of exercise 3.2. The link of those videos I have given in the description below. Today we will be solving question number 3 and 4 of the exercise 3.2. Let's start. See, question number 3 of exercise 3.2 is from the data of 7 pairs of observations on x and y, following results are obtained. Summation xi minus 70 is equal to minus 35. Then summation yi minus 60 is equal to minus 7. Then summation xi minus 70 the whole square is equal to 2989. Summation yi minus 60 the whole square is equal to 476. Also summation xi minus 70 into yi minus 60 is equal to 1064. They have also given us the value of under root 0.7884 is equal to 0.8879. And what we have to obtain is the line of regression of y on x, then the line of regression of x on y, and the correlation coefficient between x and y. Now see students, over here you can observe that here they have used the method of change of origin. See, I have copied here the given data, and as we know the change of origin does not change the value of coefficient of regressions. So let us write regression coefficients are independent on change of origin. Therefore, we can let xi minus 70 is equal to ui and yi minus 60 is equal to vi. Therefore, from the given information, we get summation ui is equal to minus 35. Then summation vi is equal to minus 7. Then summation ui square is equal to 2989. Then summation vi square is equal to 476 and summation ui into vi is equal to 1064. Now as we know, u bar is equal to summation ui upon n. Now see, in the question they have said from the data of 7 pair of observations. That means your n will be equal to 7. So summation ui we have got minus 35 upon 7. So that is equal to minus 5. So now we have calculated u bar. Now we will calculate v bar. V bar will be equal to summation vi upon n. Now what is summation vi? That is minus 7. So minus 7 upon 7, that is equal to minus 1. See over here, xi minus 70 is equal to ui we have written. So xi will be equal to ui plus 70. So similarly, x bar will be equal to u bar plus 70. So let us write x bar is equal to u bar plus 70. So u bar we have got minus 5 plus 70, that is 65. Now see over here, yi minus 60 is equal to vi. That means yi will be equal to vi plus 60 or y bar will be equal to v bar plus 60. So let us write y bar is equal to v bar plus 60. Now v bar we have got minus 1 plus 60, that is equal to 59. So as usual, now we can find out the line of regression of y on x and then x on y. So let us first obtain the line of regression of y on x. Now we know that the line of regression of y on x is given as y is equal to a plus byx into x. So we need to calculate byx and a first. Now byx, we have already written that the change of origin does not affect the value of byx or the coefficient of regression. So byx will be same as buv, right? Because we have got the values in terms of u and v. So we'll write byx is equal to buv is equal to summation ui into vi minus n into u bar into v bar upon summation ui square minus n into u bar square. Okay, remember this formula. This is for the change of origin. So now simple, we have to substitute the values. Summation ui vi, it's given 1064 minus n, that is 7, into u bar we have got minus 5 and v bar we have got minus 1 upon summation ui square is 2989 minus n is 7 into u bar square, that is minus 5 square. So let us simplify this. We get 1064 minus 7 5 are 35 into 1, that is this will be minus 35 upon 2989 minus 5 square will be plus 25 into 7, that is 175. So this comes equal to 1029 upon 2814, that is approximately equal to 0.37. So this is your byx. We know a is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So let us substitute the values. Y bar we have got 59 minus byx is 0.37 into x bar is 65. So this comes to 59 minus 24.05. So that is equal to 35. So we have got the value of a, we have got the value of byx. Now we can obtain the line of regression of y on x. Therefore, line of regression of y on x is y is equal to a plus byx into x. Therefore, y is equal to a is 35 plus byx is 0.37 into x. So this is your line of regression of y on x. Now let's solve sub question number 2. We all know that line of regression of x on y is x is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. So we need to first find the values of bxy and then a dash. Here we can write bxy is same as buv and that is equal to summation ui vi minus n into u bar into v bar upon summation vi square minus n into v bar square. Right? Now let us substitute the values. Summation ui vi is 1064 minus n is 7 into u bar is minus 5, v bar is minus 1 upon summation vi square is 476 minus n is again 7 into v bar square, that is minus 1 square. So this is equal to 1064 minus 35 upon 476 minus 7. So you get 1029 upon 469, and that is equal to 2.19. Now we'll calculate A dash. A dash is equal to x bar minus bxy into y bar. So substitute. X bar is 65. bxy we have calculated 2.19 into y bar, that is 59. So this is equal to 65 minus 129.21. So that comes equal to minus 64.21. Therefore, line of regression of x on y is x is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. Therefore, we get x is equal to a dash is minus 64.21 plus bxy we have got 2.19 into y. So this is your line of regression of x on y. Now let's solve the third sub question. So the third sub question is to obtain correlation coefficient between x and y. Now correlation coefficient between x and y, that is denoted by r, and it is equal to plus minus under root bxy into byx. Therefore, r is equal to plus minus under root bxy is 2.19 into 0.37. Now this product is equal to plus minus under root 0.8103. So r is equal to 0.9. Here you can write since bxy and byx both are positive. So r also will be positive. So we get correlation coefficient between x and y equal to 0.9. This completes your question number 3. So let's solve question number 4. You are given the following information about advertising expenditure and sales. Now see students, in this table they have given the advertisement expenditure and the sale, which is stored in the variables x and y. Now arithmetic mean of x is 10 and arithmetic mean of y is 90. Then standard deviation of x is 3 and standard deviation of y is 12. Also, correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.8. Now what we have to find is obtain the two regression equations. That means you have to find a regression equation of y on x and also of x on y. Then what is likely sales when the advertising budget is rupees 15 lakh. Now sales is stored in the variable y. So we have to find y when x is equal to 15 lakhs. Then the next question is, what should be the advertising budget if the company wants to attain the sales target of rupees 120 lakhs? Now that means sales is stored in the variable y. So we have to find the value of x when y is equal to rupees 120 lakhs. So let's start with the solution. First we'll write what is given. Now see, arithmetic mean of x is 10. That means x bar is equal to 10. Then arithmetic mean of y is 90. That means y bar is equal to 90. Then standard deviation, that is sigma x is equal to 3 and sigma y is equal to 12. Also they are given correlation coefficient between x and y. That means r is equal to 0.8. Right? So let us first find the equation of regression of y on x. Now from the given data, we'll first have to find byx. Now we know that byx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x. So we get 0.8 into sigma y is 12 upon 3. That is 3 4s are 12 and 4 into 8, that is 32. So we get to 3.2. Then let us find the value of A. A is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So let us substitute the values. Y bar is 90 minus byx, that we have got 3.2 into x bar. X bar is 10. So we get 90 minus 32, that is equal to 58. So equation of regression of y on x is given as y is equal to a plus byx into x. So we get y is equal to a, we have got 58 plus value of byx is 3.2 into x. So this is the equation of regression of y on x. Let us number it as 1. Now we'll find equation of regression of x on y. Now to find the equation of regression of x on y, first we will have to find the value of bxy. That is given as r into sigma x upon sigma y. So let us substitute. So r is equal to 0.8 into sigma x is 3 and sigma y is 12. So we get 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are, and here 4 1s are, and this will be 0.2. So bxy is equal to 0.2. Now let us find a dash. Now a dash is equal to x bar minus bxy into y bar. So let us substitute the values. We get x bar is 10 minus bxy, we have got 0.2 into y bar is 90. So we get a dash is equal to 10 minus 0.2 into 90. That will be 18. 10 minus 18, that is minus 8. Now equation of regression of x on y is x is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. So you get x is equal to a dash is minus 8 plus bxy 0.2 into y. So this is your equation of regression of x on y. Let us number it as 2. Now we have to solve sub question 2. Now see, the second sub question is, what is likely sales when the advertising budget is rupees 50 lakhs. Now we know that The sales is stored in the variable y and the advertising budget is stored in the variable x. That means here we have to find y when x is equal to 15 lakh. So let's write y is equal to how much when x is equal to 15 lakhs. So from equation 1 we get y is equal to 58 plus 3.2x. This is your equation of regression of y on x. So now let us substitute the value of x. So we get y is equal to 58 plus 3.2 into 15. So you get 58 plus 48, that is 8. So 106. Therefore y is equal to 106 lakhs when x is equal to 15 lakh. So let us write the final answer. Likely sales is rupees 106 lakhs when advertising budget is rupees 15 lakh. So now let's solve the third one. What should be the advertising budget if the company wants to obtain sales target of rupees 120 lakh? So now here we have been given y is equal to 120 and we have to find the value of x, right? So from equation 2, that is the equation of regression of x on y, we get x is equal to minus 8 plus 0.2 y. So now let us substitute the value of y. So therefore we get x is equal to minus 8 plus 0.2 into 120. That is minus 8 plus 4 is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 when y is equal to 120. So let us write the final answer. The advertising budget should be of rupees 16 lakh to obtain a sale target of rupees 120 lakh. So students, with this we have finished question number 3 and 4 of exercise 3.2. The next two questions we'll be doing in the next video. Till then, keep practicing maths.
So students, I am sure as usual you must have liked this video. So please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of this channel. Keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Thank you and goodbye.